we got that off, now we can get to these screws. Disconnected the throttle. Make sure you keep all your bolts and screws. And whatever that is. Now we gotta take these screws out. Right here is the, what's the thing called? Pull rope. Dirty, filthy, oily. I don't know, what do you think? Is this worth my time or not? Couple more screws in the back here. Get that off, huh? Now you can see the piston rod. Yep. Now get this off. Now we take out the spark plug. Get my handy dandy old pull cord with a knot in it. Shove it down in that spark plug hole. Go ahead, flip that up. Smash your finger while you're at it. That's always good. And then you can just crank this until it pops free. Probably reverse threads. Maybe. Maybe it's not. Regular threads. Apparently it doesn't know. Alright, there we go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Regular threads. Nothing backwards about it. Take that off. Awesome. And now we have that to deal with. Then we gotta get more tools. Go ahead and just get a couple of screwdrivers. Carefully twist it off. Once it's loose, spin it off. Save that. Save that plate. Lose those. And then we got another screw right here. Go ahead and take that screw out. Hopefully that's the last one. And then this pops off. And there we have it. And now we have more screws on the inside to get to the pull start. So let's go ahead and remove those screws. And remember where all these screws go, though the shorter screws are for the pull start inside cover, the longer screws are for the outside. And pull this plate out, save that, and then we can take off that piece. It's in decent shape, and a spring, and then the pull start. And there we have it. Now we can get this old pull cord out of here. Maybe. Really wound up tight in there. Oh, there's your other pull cord spring. There we go. Unravel that. And then we can just pull that right out of there. With the help of a screwdriver. Well, that's tight in there. We'll just go ahead and snippy snip. Throw that away. Pull that out. Throw that out. And there we have it. Let's clean all these up. Clean this up. And we'll be back.